Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the JBL Tune 770 NC, which stands for basically noise cancelling. So typical JBL box is a lot of features on the sides and on the back, kind of exemplifying everything it can do and all its capabilities. Now, I have reviewed the previous version, the 760, which is still being sold. You can find a link to that review in the video description if you're interested for whatever reason. But yeah, we're focusing on the 770, which is the current model as of this video posting here in 2024. So, kind of demolishing the box there, but whatever. Just want to focus on getting the headphones out and I can start testing it and reviewing it. And let's see what we get out of here. So, kind of suspicious, this fabric, kind of expected it to be in a case. That's not the case. Dun-dun-dun. But here's the headphones themselves. They feel okay in the hand, but again, it's my first time touching them and holding them, but we'll see how they hold out in terms of durability and general performance in the review video. A link to that review will also be in the video description, of course. So let's see what else we have in here. Just a piece of cardboard. Okay. Okay, so not much accessories here. There's a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. This is probably the headphone jack cable, the auxiliary cable rather. And yep, it is. Okay, so that's the auxiliary cable. Looks to be a decent amount of length and some documentation. There's no pouch, there's no case to help you carry them or keep them compact. It's pretty disappointing. So again, the link to the review will be in the video description. Let's see if it's well worth it, even without a traveler's pouch of some kind. And I hope you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to check out my social links and website link in the description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.